Minimalist modest outfits that look effortlessly expensive. Buttercream is the kind of neutral that feels like morning light, warm, soft, and quietly expensive. In 2026, many women are replacing cold beige with warmer creams that flatter the face and photograph beautifully under natural and studio lighting. If you love modest fashion, this tone is especially powerful because it feels calm and elegant without trying too hard. Why buttercream replaces beige? Beige can sometimes look dusty, flat, or too close to skin tone, especially on camera. Buttercream is different because it carries a gentle warmth that adds life to modest silhouettes. It feels clean, modern, and soothing, like a refined base you can build on every day. This is why warm minimalism is rising globally in modest fashion. Brands known for clean lines and understated luxury often rely on creamy neutrals to make tailoring look more premium. That same minimal confidence is easy to translate into abayas, tunic sets, and long layered outfits. Most importantly, buttercream does not compete with modest styling, it supports it. It gives you a quiet presence that fits work, travel, gatherings, and daily life. It is the neutral that still feels like a choice, not a default. Design inspiration, clean lines, soft power. Warm minimalism in modest wear is about shape and movement, not decoration. Think of long coats, fluid abayas, and structured layers that look intentional from every angle. This design language is very present in modern modest labels that favor clean silhouettes and wearable elegance. Buttercream elevates tailoring because it highlights seam lines, pleats, and fabric drape. When the color is calm, your pattern-making details become the luxury signal. Even a simple collar, cuff, or belt looks more sophisticated when the palette is controlled. To keep it globally modern, avoid overly vintage styling. Choose contemporary proportions, relaxed shoulders, straight silhouettes, and minimal hardware. The goal is expensive without trying, built from clarity and restraint. Core Look 1: Tunic sets that feel expensive. Start with the easiest modest formula, a buttercream tunic set. Use a long tunic with side slits or a clean straight hem paired with relaxed trousers for movement and comfort. Keep the fit modest but not oversized, think polished ease. Now layer color intelligently. Add light brown through a belt, loafers, or a structured bag, then add olive in a scarf accent, an outer layer, or minimal accessories. This trio, buttercream, light brown, olive, creates warmth and depth without harsh contrast. This look works for errands, cafe meetings, or travel days. It also photographs beautifully because the palette stays coherent from head to toe. The result is simple, but it reads as premium. Core Look 2, Casual Abaya, Modern Daily Luxury. A casual abaya in buttercream is one of the most versatile pieces for modest wardrobes. Choose a fabric with a soft structure so it doesn't cling and still moves elegantly. Keep details minimal, a clean sleeve, subtle pleats, or a gentle belt. To modernize it, style it like a global city look. Pair with light brown leather accessories, bag, flats, or belt, then add an olive layer like a lightweight outer piece or a scarf tone. This keeps the look grounded and sophisticated, not bridal or overly formal. Minimalist abaya brands often use restrained palettes and clean lines to create that quiet luxury feeling. Buttercream fits perfectly into that world because it looks refined even in casual silhouettes. Core Look 3, Knit Hijab Styling. If your outfit is minimal, texture becomes your statement. A knit or jersey-style hijab adds softness and depth without introducing loud patterns. It also helps the look feel real-life and wearable, especially for cooler climates in Europe or layered outfits in North America. For buttercream outfits, consider a knit hijab in warm neutrals, cream, oatmeal, or light brown. If you want contrast without harshness, choose a muted olive hijab or olive undercap details. This keeps the palette calm while adding a modern edge. The key is neat styling, clean folds, secure shape, and comfortable fabric. When hijab looks effortless and tidy, the entire outfit reads more premium. Color Pairing Guide, Light Brown plus Olive. Buttercream loves companions that feel grounded and natural. Light brown brings warmth and structure, especially through leather accessories and shoes. Olive adds a modern, earthy sophistication that still feels modest and calm. Use pairing rules that are easy to remember. If your main outfit is buttercream, let light brown appear in bag and shoes, while olive appears in one soft layer, outerwear, scarf, or subtle accent. If you want olive to be stronger, keep buttercream as your inner base so the overall look stays bright and clean. Avoid loud contrasts or overly saturated colors with this theme. Warm minimalism is about harmony, not shouting. The beauty comes from the way tones blend gently together. Real-life lookbook. Imagine a student look: buttercream tunic set, comfortable trousers, olive lightweight layer, and a knit hijab that stays neat through the day. The palette feels calm and focused, perfect for campus life and prayer breaks. It looks thoughtful without being complicated. Now picture workwear: a buttercream long coat over a modest dress, light brown belt and bag, and an olive accent that adds depth. This is professional without being harsh, soft without looking informal. It fits modern office culture while staying modest. Finally, think of an evening moment. A buttercream abaya in a slightly richer fabric, paired with refined light brown accessories and a perfectly draped knit hijab. No heavy embellishment is needed because the palette itself looks expensive. It's elegance built from restraint. Warm minimalism is a lifestyle. Buttercream is more than a trend, it's a styling mindset. It teaches you that modest fashion can feel modern, global, and quietly luxurious through clean lines, thoughtful fabrics, and calm color harmony. If you want a wardrobe that looks expensive without trying, start with buttercream, then let light brown and olive become your gentle signature.